Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing display. Then click on home screen. Now select home and tap on easy home. Now you have to save your changes by clicking OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, easy mode is now turned on. If you want to turn it off, you need to go into the same settings, then choose display again, tap on home screen, select home and pick any other option, for example home. Now save it again by clicking OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!